Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to insert a chart in Microsoft Word. I want to insert a chart of employee sales chart here. So go to insert and I want to insert this pie chart 2D. Click on it. Now here you will see Excel will open here. Now you can edit the data here. So I want to edit this data name of the employee. Okay, and after that I want to add a this title here, employee name. Okay, employee name. Now go back to the Word. Now if you want to add a data labels here, you have to just select the chart, right click, and here you will see add data labels. Now you will see data labels appear. So like this you can insert a chart in Microsoft Word. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.